Hi guys, welcome to another podcast for NCHM CT JEE exam. And today we have Aryan from Bihar, Muzaffarpur. He got IHM Goa, and he's our online class student. And he cracked NCHM CT JEE exam and finally in IHM Goa. So congratulations, Aryan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thanks for the support by maneuver.
Okay. So did you expected कि selection हो जाएगा मेरा?
Sir, I did expected कि मेरा selection हो जाएगा, but not expected कि मेरा Goa selection होगा.
Okay. So how's the feeling after getting selected?
Sir, no word. It's worthless to get selected in Goa just because so many people have dreamed to come for their vacations in Goa,
Oh,
not coming for the staying in Goa. So it's a totally different feeling.
so अभी 3 साल के लिए गोवा में.
Yes, sir. 3 साल से गोवा में.
Great. So Aryan, tell me about your academic background first of all. थोड़ा सा लोगों को academic के बारे में पता चलेगा, उसके बाद entrance पे बात करेंगे हम preparation को लेके.
Sir, basically my academic background is I completed my class 10th via CBSE in 2018 with 75% marks. After that, I pursued class 12th with math, physics, chemistry, English, and fine arts. And I completed my class 12th in 2020 with 72% marks, CBSE board. Then after, I give the exams for JE and some engineering exams. But in a certain time, I feel that no, this is not my profession. I want to do something different. So I entered in the hotel line.
Okay.
And after entering, I know the NCHM was the best exam to crack and to get the one of the best colleges in India. So I dropped my 1 year and prepared for NCHM. And in 2021, I gave the exam and got selected in IHM Goa.
Oh, it's a long journey basically.
Yes, sir.
So engineering drop फिर NCHM CT. When you started your NCHM CT JEE preparation?
Around December, sir. And I forget that I was also dropped the Merchant Navy also. I also selected into one of the best colleges in Merchant Navy.
Okay.
And then after I got selected in hotel
So
management.
so December 2020 you started or before that?
No, sir. 2020 December.
Okay, our exam happened in the month of September, I think, right? September
Yes,
में exam हुआ आपका.
yes, sir.
Okay. So also, I mean, you got around 7-8 months for the preparation, roughly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ideally, people start 1 year prior their preparation for NCHM CT JEE if they are targeting for the top one, like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore. So they.
Yes.
Okay. When you got to know about us, like कब पता चला कि यार हाँ मेन्यूअर करके है और कोचिंग जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करता है एनसीएचएम सिटी जेईई, ये कैसे मालूम पड़ा?
Actually, sir, the hotel management is a very new course in Bihar.
Okay.
So I just want to know about what is this course and what type of colleges they are. So I was searching YouTube, and I get only maneuver education proper video with proper digital board experience and all. So I get to know about what is maneuver, how the student crack the exam with top rankers, how maneuver produce. Then I shifted to maneuver education, sir. One of my also friend also do from maneuver.
Okay. And now he got selected for which IHM?
Goa, sir.
Okay, IHM गोवा ही मिला उसको भी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So want to understand your preparation journey. कैसे prepare करते थे? Overall routine क्या था preparation को लेकर के?
So basically, I would prepare for the main goal was to prepare for the GKGS because it's a vast syllabus like current affairs, history, geography, and all. And my second prior goal to complete the English first, English GKGS, because in English there is so much vocabulary, antonyms, synonyms, some grammars, and also the English is a very big proportion chapter in NCHM.
Right.
And then after I will move ahead for GKGS. So my main target was to achieve the good score in English GKGS. Then after I go for service aptitude. Just because service aptitude also covers the major portion of 25%.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not tough like that English and GK. So if
Correct.
any student can give his best,
Mm-hmm.
so he can easily score more than 14 service aptitude very easily. Means more than 40 correct questions.
Right.
And after that, some part of maths and reasoning side by side. Just
Okay.
because I have lots of time, so I will not focus so much on maths and reasoning because I have done only half an hour, 1 hour daily to practice maths and reasoning alternate.
Okay. Okay. What are the hurdles you came across while you were preparing?
So the first hurdle was the English portion.
Okay.
To prepare the basically the English grammar and all, just like
Mm-hmm.
for competitive exams.
Mm.
Because in school there is no English grammar as such in CBSE. Like just you
Okay.
have to write essay and question answer. That's it. Not a proper grammar.
Okay.
I know the English very well. All the things happen, but the proper grammar for the exam is the toughest part of. I think most of us, those who are appearing in exam,
Okay.
just because to learn vocabulary, one word substitution, and all.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So for grammar, what you have done?
Actually, sir, I seen lots of videos of your channel
Mm-hmm.
and your packages. Then after I go through the book for Arihan um for NCHM City
Mm-hmm.
and some other reference book of English grammar.
Okay. Okay. So you must have written the mock test, right?
Yes, sir. I have written the mock test.
So what was your how was the mock test if you compare it with the real exam?
Sir, is just like the real exam, but the main thing was the one thing in NCHM is the questions attempting time. Like
Mm-hmm.
we have to attempt in more less than 1 minute per question, just because 180 minutes of exam and 200 questions came. So the biggest factor is the challenge of us just the time to beat the
Correct.
time.
Correct. Correct.
Within less than 1 minute, we have to read the question, solve the question, and attempt the question.
Hmm.
So one of the major factor or the hurdle is the time factor. So
Right.
via giving mock test, you will realize what the time, in which section you have to give more, in which section you have to give less time, and all.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Obviously, any entrance demands time management. If you learn
yes,
time management, then you can do life management.
yes, sir.
And entrance management is but obvious. Okay. Okay. How many questions from the topic you have prepared? Like you got must have got the ebooks handouts of maneuver, right? So उसमें से कितना question practice किए हैं? And what was the difficulty level if you compared with the real exam?
And it's almost same. I don't think so. Ki mock test was easy and exam was hard. I
Mm-hmm.
think mock test was just based on real exam questions.
Mm-hmm.
And I found the approx 80-85% questions from mock test to in exams.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So all the aspirants, those who are preparing for upcoming year 2022, 23, 24, 25.
Yes, sir.
So what session or tips you want to give them?
First tip I would give to that the time factor challenge. You have to practice hard and solve lots of mock tests. Just because you are able to at least do more than 70-75% questions in exam.
Mm-hmm.
Because many of my friends who was giving the NCHM city this year, they're not able to solve more than 100 questions in exam. Just
Okay.
because time factor. They
Mm-hmm.
are means puzzling in the reasoning, maths, English, and they are not able to attempt more than 100. So this
Okay.
is also the major factors in exam.
Okay.
And secondly, I will suggest ki don't go for short-term courses. Just like if you have exam in April, so you have to start prepare from Feb. No. When you know ki that you have to give, then start from that day.
Hmm.
Not you will not able to do 5 or 6 hours study. Okay, doesn't matter. At
Mm-hmm.
least half an hour, 1 hour. Do your best daily, just because for your consistency.
Right, right.
Like so many of us students think that this is very easy. This is so easy. Hotel management is a easy course. Not sir. Just because it's an hotel management, so it's not easy like that. We have to attempt 1 or 200 questions within 180 minutes. In
Right, right.
English questions, service aptitude. So basically, the hurdle factor is service aptitude. Like the questions are so big, we have to attempt and they think like the person who is in that question and what he thinks
Right.
and what he's thinking, so that we have to attempt as per his thinking answer.
Basically, decision making sort of a question.
Yeah, decision making. So it's also slightly tough, but not a hard issue.
Mhm. So if I summarize overall podcast, so first of all, you should start your early preparation. 11th में हो तभी से चालू कर दो because 12th में आने के बाद 12th का भी pressure होगा और entrance का भी.
Yes.
So it's better थोड़ा early preparation चालू करो. Second, time management. Again, you have to write multiple mock tests, topic wise, section wise, full length mock. And since GK section is vast, तो उसको तो day one से newspaper reading GK पे work करना चालू कर दो, static and current affairs. बाकी maths की practice आओ. Now Aryan belong to the maths background, तो JEE वगैरह prepare किया तो maths में इतना issue नहीं आया.
नहीं सर,
Right.
मैथ मेरे को इश्यूज नहीं आए.
Only the hurdle was English and GK.
यस सर, मेरे को रीजनिंग में इश्यू है क्योंकि वो मेरे लिए कम्प्लीटली न्यू टॉपिक था. हार्ड था बट एकदम सडन एक न्यू चीज था. आफ्टर 12th या रीजनिंग कुछ होती है.
हाँ, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट. वो कभी नहीं देखा हमने. 10th में भी नहीं देखा, 11th में भी देखा, 12th में भी नहीं देखा है. सो ऑल्दो इट इज इजी, बट या इफ यू सी थिंग्स फर्स्ट टाइम तो थोड़ा सा लगता है ये क्या आ गया. फिर एक बार प्रिपेयर करोगे तो ग्रेजुअली हो जाएगा.
यस सर. और सर डोंट गेट मिसगाइडेड फ्रॉम अदर वीडियोस. Like in YouTube, there are so many people that are misguiding. Like you have to just prepare for NCHM in 1 month, 2 months. It's not possible to getting the best college in just 1 or 2 months of study. It's possible. Every can one do it.
Obviously.
Always follow a good channel, a good teacher for your support, just like yours, sir.
Obviously,
like
obviously.
From day one, I go through Never Education channel. After that, knowing that the so much quality content, how teacher efforts, like every college, every IHM placement, college campus tour. There's no one channel on YouTube dedicated as per every video on NCHM.
Correct. Thank you for giving all this information. So you have watched all the videos which is coming on channel?
Yes, sir. Still now I am watching all the videos.
Oh, great. So many campus placements and podcasts keep on coming up. Now podcast series will start now. So that's all guys from Aryan end. I hope you must be learning lots of things from this podcast. Aryan ने कैसे prepare किया and how he able to crack the IHM Goa. तो जल्दी preparation चालू करो, सारे tips को याद रखो. And thank you Aryan for joining and sharing your experience.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.